Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing this game. I never made it up. Oh, I actually did. Well, so we're going to take this little earring and we're going to put it in the pile of slime. And we're going to try to find it. And I'm going to set my phone timer. So I already did, and it started right now. So I'm going to put this in, and then I'm going to try to find it. Yeah, mix this up a little bit. Oh, I don't, so I'm just going to put you, right here. Is that good enough, guys? No. So this is the sun. So here's the sun. I'm going to try to find it. I don't know where. So I'm going to take it apart until it is the earring. I'm just going to take it apart. This is not the one with the earring in it. I'm just showing you this one. Making sure it's like not sideways. I'm gonna flatten it out until I feel it. I don't think it's in this one. I know the earring is not this flat, so let's see. Okay, so the earring is. I'm trying to get it over. Let's see. It's not on the outside. It's somewhere on the inside. Oh. Let's see. Sorry guys, you can't see. It's not in there. Let's see if it's in this big pile. Hold on guys. Oh no. There. Okay, my timer's not done yet. So it's not. Oh, got it. There it is. I got it, guys. I got it. Here's the earring. Oh, hold on, you can't see it. Here's the earring. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so. Oops, sorry about that, guys. So now we're going to try even a harder level. So I don't have more sun. It's just there's going to be sounds hard. There's going to be a dolphin and an earring. So there's going to be this red thing right here. You can't see it. Yes. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. Sorry, my hair is so wild. But bye, guys. See you soon.